In this session, I'm going to cover some of the basic options which was not covered in our previous syllabus. So let's start from the home tab, then slowly I cover all the tabs. So from the home tab, we have a cut, copy, paste special, which we have already seen. We have format painter. So format painter will be used to copy paste the format from one cell to another cell. So let me apply few format for the cell. Let's make it bold. Let's apply a border. Let's apply color. Now I want this format to be applied across all the header. So to do that, keep your cursor on the cell, then click Format Painter. Then wherever you want to apply this format, just select those cells, then leave the cursor. So now you have the format. Similarly, if you want to apply some other format here, let me choose a format here. So now I want to apply this format across all the cells. To do that, keep your cursor on the format and then click Format Painter. Then wherever you want to apply, just hold mouse and drag till end. So now you got the format. In case if you want to apply border, you can select and you can apply border. There are a lot of designs available here. For more border, click this. So you can go and choose. There are designs, you can choose and keep it. And we have alignment left, right, center. This we have already seen. And wrap text, merge cell. This is also covered. And here we have some number format. So let me select this and apply some format. So I'll use number format. This is a number format to decrease decimal, or if I want number format with currencies, I can choose currencies like, or in case if I want it with accounting with comma. Okay, so whatever format you want, you can keep. If you want general, you can keep general, or basically you can use this comma and decrease decimal if you don't want. This is the best thing. Okay, then we have conditional formatting, which will be covered in the advanced level, and we have format a table. So let me select this. I'm going to convert this as a table. So let me choose this. Now this has been converted to table. Okay. So now the advantage of table is, so in case if you're going to add a new items, like now I have few brands here. So now I want to add one more brand here. So I'll add, let me delete last column. Let me add one more column. So as is. Okay. So when I update the values, the total will also be automatically added. The format remains same whenever you add the values. See, the total is changing. Automatically, the total gets updated. So again, if I press tab, again one more row will be inserted. Again, the sum formula also remains same here. So you can add a number of columns. This is the advantage of table. And we have insert. So insert we have already seen in our basic shortcut. So this is more to do with insert cell, row, columns, sheet, and again similarly for delete cell, delete row, delete columns. And we have format to adjust the height. So in case I want to increase the height, so let me select this format, row height. So now I have 14.5. I'll make it to 70. So my row height will be increased. Similarly, you can increase for the column size. Format column size. So let me make it. Let me check what is the column size. So it's 11.6. So you can choose any one column, that is fine. You don't need to select all the rows. So now I'll make it 11. Okay, so all the columns the same size was applied. And hide, unhide sheet we have already seen, rename, move, tab color which we have already seen, format cell is covered, and protect sheet will be covered as part of advanced level. Also we have sum function, so that is also covered, and we have fill series. In case if you want to fill I have Jan. Okay, I want to fill, basically I'll drag it. Okay, you can also use fill series to do that. Let me show you. Selected, fill, so down. This is Control D, which the option which we used. This is fill right side. In case if you want to fill right, so shortcut is Control R. This is also covered in the shortcut. In case if you want to fill up right, you can use this. But if you go to series, so I want to get the series. To get the series, so I'll say autofill. Okay, just choose this option auto fill. So you'll get the series. Series is nothing but after Jan you'll have Feb, March, April, May. So this series, like in case if I have Monday, I want the series to be applied. You can select n number of rows, format, sorry, fill, series, then auto fill. Okay, so this is fill, and then we have clear. So clear is nothing but we have 4 options here: clear all, clear format, clear content, clear comments, clear hyperlink. Okay, let me have hyperlink here. I'll create a hyperlink. Let me also insert few comments here. Okay, so now to clear all, select clear all the data will be deleted. Okay, so clear format, in case if I want to remove only the format, so I'll select this, or I'll apply some colors here. Okay, so whatever format you do, border or bold. So now if I use clear format, all format will be removed automatically. Even number format is removed. Now let me remove the number format from here. Clear format. So now the format has gone. So here on all we have comma, but in this cell we don't have comma. Then we have clear content. This is nothing but our delete button. In case if you want to clear the content, content is the data. So you can directly press delete button instead of using this clear content. And we have clear format, clear comments and notes. So I already have comments here. To delete that, select clear comments. And the last one is hyperlink. So select this. I don't want a hyperlink. Clear IP. Sorry, I've selected multiple. I don't want hyperlink. Okay, so now hyperlink has been cleared. So now this is just a text. See, link is not working. Basically, hyperlink, you will get a link. So hyperlink, generally you get a the hand cursor, but here, so you don't get anything because hyperlink is removed. Then move on to insert. So insert, we covered pivot table will be part of advanced level, table we have already seen, and chart will be part of covered advanced level. And here I'll show you something. So in case if you want to insert a text box, so you have some data, you want to update some text. So let me delete this text box. So I'll drop it here. In case if you want to have any comments, so you can update here. This is the sales report for March. So whatever you want to update, like a paragraph, you can do this. And also if you want to add objects, so I want to attach Excel file inside the Excel. So now because hyperlink will create only link, but the advantage of hyperlink and inserting object, let me explain. So click this objects, go to create from file, browse. From desktop I'll click test. Okay, so just press OK. So now if you see, there's a box. Okay, I'll do it another way also. Same create file, browse, test, display as icon. So now you get an icon like this. This is nothing but test file. Okay, let me delete this plain one. Okay, so now this is also like if I click this, double click, the file will open. See. Okay, I think I've linked some file. Go to objects, insert object, click this, go to create from file, browse, and you can choose whatever file you want. I'll choose test. Also tick these 2 boxes, link this file or display as icon. If you do this, you will get a small icon here. Okay, the icon is nothing but the file which we attached. So if I double click, so the file will open. Okay, so what is the difference between hyperlink and adding the file inside the Excel? Okay, hyperlink is just a link. Okay, so if you have hyperlink in your file, if the file should be in your local drive, in case if you're sharing this file with other person, okay, so in that case hyperlink will not work, because hyperlink will pick the file only if it is inside your drive. Okay, but if you share the file with the other person, if he tries to click the link, the file will not open because he will not have access to your folder. So in this case, you are adding the file itself, but if you share the file, by clicking the file, they can easily open the file. So this is another way of adding the files. And the page layout, it's almost covered. We have seen everything. Formula also we have seen. And in the data part also, things will be covered as part of advanced level, because most of the items related to advanced level. And in the review, we've already seen the comments, so protection will be covered as part of advanced level. And in the view, so view, this is a normal view by default, and page break we have seen, and page layout generally we won't use. Let me show you. This is the page layout view. This also we won't use it. Also we have few options here, few boxes. In case if you want grid line, you can tick the box to get the grid line. So now you got a grid line. If you don't want, you can remove, and you can remove the header. Header is nothing but for the column we have alphabets, and for the row we have 1, 2, 3. If you don't want, you can remove. So your header will go off. And this is the formula bar. If you don't want formula bar, that also you can remove. See, and this is zoom button. So clicking this, you can increase or reduce the size. And window free span, this portion we have already seen. And this is more to do with the macro. And help power pivot, we have already seen. Power pivot will cover in the advanced level. Okay, that's it. We'll move to the next option.